Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off connection visibility on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just go up here, you click here on this picture here, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this. Then you click here on visibility and you come to next window here, then you just click here on connections here. So you come to this window here and you come here to connection visibility. You click here on this sign or this color, and like you say color, it's gone. That's main connections visibility, it's on off. I wish know you I gave it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. uh, I wish you know you I gave it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you.